Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to do Battle of the Boxes, and it's going to be played by Sephora against Ipsy. And I don't know what happened to Ipsy, but this thing was literally like held by the two little edges. It's like, hello? I'm surprised the stuff didn't fall out. So I have not looked inside either one. I did already open the box just to make it quicker. But let's open Ipsy first since it kind of came already open. So it brings, I saw some people got some masks, but I guess I didn't. So anyways, let me make sure my microphone is on, guys. I'm having a hard time lately and I can see myself doing this, you know, very quietly. So this says, Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis. Okay. That's kind of silly. Okay. So it really doesn't tell me what I'm getting here. So this is a bag and it's blue and it's like vinyl and it's got little black hearts, as you can see. And I usually reuse these bags. I either include extra samples in my giveaways or I give my daughter and granddaughter friends makeup. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is a Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, and the color is Quirky. I do enjoy the Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. I am not going to swatch it because if I already have this color, then I'm just going to give it away. And I do have a few this size. I'm not sure if I have Quirky, but I don't want to be touching it. Oh, it does have a plastic cover that I didn't remove, but it kind of fell out. But anyway, if I don't like to be swatching it if I'm going to be passing it on. So that is definitely a nice little product to receive. The second thing that I'm getting, I can tell by the packaging, is from Ciate products, and this is it looks like it's powder, translucent powder. Oh, and I'm supposed to be able to get into this because it's got a little plastic, and I'm gonna mess up my nails. Why, oh why can't you just put the little plastic with a little tab on the outside that I can just pull? I do like Ciate, the brand. And it does have like a little, if you can see, like a little sifter. Can you see it? Let's see if I can make it focus. So that the product doesn't come out. I just made a mess, but it's very finely milled. It kind of looks like it left like a little bit of a white cast on my hand, but I have to use it on my face to see if it has any flashback or anything like that. I have never used Ciate powder. I've only used, let's see, the highlighter, the cream highlighter that we received, and I just bought myself a new eyeshadow palette, but I haven't used it yet. Okay, the next product is by Skin Iceland, and Skin Iceland is a nice brand, and this is brightening eye serum. So I definitely do enjoy getting eye products. Now look how much I have to squeeze before anything comes out. So this package, really, how much is in there? Look, I have squeezed it all the way and nothing is coming out. Wow. I probably used everything that was in there. It is a gel. Has a little bit of a scent, but very, very, very slight. But that's ridiculous. I mean, really, even this is a small sample, but if it's full, it's okay. But there's nothing in here. Okay, not happy with that. Okay, and then this is by The Balm, and this is Mary Duminizer, and it looks like it's a liquid highlighter. which, oh, I do like liquid highlighters. If I didn't have any on right now, I would put some on. Look how pretty that is. You guys see it? See it right there? How glowy? I do like it. I think that the liquid highlighters are a lot more forgiving on my face, on my pores, and the texture on my face. So I definitely do enjoy it, and I like the balm highlighters. They're very nice. And the last product is by Pixie, and let me see what it is. Hold on, let me take the plastic off. I like Pixie. They have really nice products. And I believe Pixie is cruelty free. I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know if this is lip or eye. Oh my goodness, come on. It doesn't say. Are you kidding me? Right on the bottom. Let's see. It says honey sheer, so I would imagine it's a lipstick. Yeah, it feels like a lipstick. It's a lip gloss. All right, very pretty. This would definitely look nice over a lipstick. The one that I have now is kind of glossy, so I really don't want to put it on because I think it'll get kind of goopy. So this is nice. The blush, the gloss, the Ridiculous Eye Balm, the liquid highlighter, and this, which, I mean, the packaging is beautiful. How cute is the packaging? But how hard is it going to be to use this product? You would have to, you know, pour the powder on a bigger lid or something. I don't know, it's a lot of trouble. So, but it's cute. I like it. It's better than this. At least this thing is full. All right, so now let's see what I got in my BoxyCharm. So is steps to use this guide, the 50 points that I never use because I hardly ever go to the store, and it's Merry and Be Bright. So let's see what's in here. I'm not gonna use, oh, and everything just fell out. All right, so the first thing that we get is by Christopher Robin, and this is cleansing volumizing paste. So this must be for the hair. Okay, let me look it up because I don't know what it is. I don't think I want any volume on my face. Shampoo formulated with clay that transforms from a paste to an airy foam. I'm probably gonna pass this. Sorry. I'm gonna pass this on. I'm not gonna actually edit that out because that was pretty funny. I'm gonna pass this on because the only shampoo that I use is Briogeo because it's the only thing that's been helping my hair, and I don't want to jinx it. So I'm gonna pass this on. I've heard that Christopher Robin's is a good brand. Is that what it is? Yeah, Christopher Robin. So, and I believe it's supposed to be cruelty free. Let me see if I find a bunny back here. I don't find a bunny, so I'm not sure. Okay, then I have a Sephora cream lip stain, and hopefully it's not red because I've received a red one like twice already. No, but I think I've received this one too. It's like a very it's actually a pretty color. It's very neutral, and this will look pretty with also with like a gloss on. It's like a mauve with brown. It's very, very pretty. It's a pretty shade, and this will look really nice. And I like the Sephora lip products. Okay, and then I received the Purity, and I know some people don't like this because Purity is not cruelty free, but I think it does an amazing job removing makeup. This is one of the cleansers that I use at times to remove my makeup. Once I'm done with what I have, because this is not inexpensive, so I'm not going to throw it away, I'm probably going to replace it with something that is cruelty-free. So, and I believe that this has parabens, so, but I want to go ahead and use it up because I do still have quite a bit. But I will probably pass this one on because I don't need another one. Let me clean my hand. Okay, the next product that we have is by Lancome, is Hydrazine Gel Creme. It's an anti-stress cream. And this is a moisturizer. And I've never used this before, so I don't know how good or not it is. And the last but not least is a Laura Mercier translucent powder, which I love this. And normally what I do is empty these into my regular size container because these are so tiny that even for traveling, this is it's hard to use. And it looks like mine got cracked, like my container is cracked. So but that's usually what I do. I open it and then I just pour this in my regular box. So if I were to compare, okay, so in this one I got the Laura Mercier. I got a nice lipstick. This is supposed to be nice, but I'm not gonna use it. This, I like it, but I'm gonna stop using it. And this, I don't know, I think they're about equal. They both have some products that I like and some that I can do without. So for $10, it's not bad, but I really can't choose. They both had, I mean, I really do like, if this one would have been full, this one would have been the winner because they had, really all the products were nice, except that this one, I think this one's the winner. Okay, let's give it to this one because it definitely has the lippy that I like. It has a great tart. This would be nice if it was full, and I really do enjoy this highlighter. So I think that Ipsy won this month. All right, you guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope that you enjoy what I got. Oh, I did get a perfume, which is by Commodity, and it's called Gold. And I don't have any perfume on right now, so let's try it out. I looked to see where the little sprayer was because I have sprayed myself in the face before. Oh, this smells nice. This smells really nice. I like it. All right, and it's a pretty nice size, you know, sprayer. So, all right, nice sample. All right, guys. Have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy your day. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.